iArt is a growing graphic design agency based in Bangladesh, and we proudly serve clients all around the world. Our team specializes in creating eye-catching designs that truly capture what your brand is all about. We're known for being friendly, affordable, and professional. Plus, we're available 24/7 to help bring your ideas to life. We design all types of graphics based on your needs, offering attractive and unique designs within your budget. Each of our designs speaks of innovation and artistry. Though we are located in Bangladesh, we provide our services globally. Join us on a journey of imagination and precision, where every pixel tells a story and every color evokes emotion. Discover the art of design with iArt, and let's embark on a creative journey together. Our mission is simple: to turn your ideas into stunning visual stories that connect with people everywhere. We aim to go beyond your expectations and build lasting relationships based on trust and quality work. We're always learning and improving to stay on top of design trends. We want to be a global leader in graphic design, known for our creativity and customer-first approach. Our goal is to set new standards in design quality and service, always adapting to the latest market trends and technologies. We aim to inspire and make a big impact on businesses and brands worldwide. Why choose us? At iArt, we believe in transforming ideas into stunning visual stories that resonate with your audience. Our mission is simple: provide high-quality, affordable graphic design services that meet your needs, any time of the day or night. Whether you're a startup building your brand identity or an established business looking to refresh your visual appeal, we've got you covered. From logo design and branding to web graphics and print materials, we offer a full range of services that cater to clients around the world. With a focus on creativity and personalization, we're here to bring your vision to life. Let us elevate your brand with designs that capture attention and stand out in a crowded marketplace. At iArt, we're always here for you, 24/7, with designs that inspire. iArt takes all kinds of design orders. We'll discuss your needs, offer unlimited revisions, and deliver quickly. Contact us anytime, 24/7, with a 30% deposit and the balance upon completion.